Did you know that document controllers are not limited to construction projects? From oil and gas to healthcare, they play a critical role in every industry. In this video, you'll discover the types of document controllers, which industries rely on them, and how mastering this role can open global career opportunities. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to ControlDesk for expert guidance on document control, project management, and career tips. You can also follow us on LinkedIn, TikTok, and Instagram. Links are in the video description below. Stick around to learn something new. Document control is a structured process used to manage, track, and distribute information accurately. As industries grow more regulated, this role has become essential. First, the Project Document Controller. Common in construction and oil and gas, they manage drawings and specifications, supporting teams throughout the project lifecycle. Second, the Technical Document Controller. They focus on engineering calculations and manuals. Accuracy and compliance are critical here, working closely with design teams. Third, the Quality or ISO Document Controller. They manage policies and audit records according to standards like ISO 9001, common in manufacturing and healthcare. Fourth, the Corporate Document Controller. They handle internal HR docs, contracts, and legal records, focusing on confidentiality and version control. Finally, the EDMS Controller. They specialize in platforms like Aconex or SharePoint, managing workflows and user support for digital documentation. Construction, oil and gas, infrastructure, manufacturing, and healthcare all rely on these roles for compliance, safety, and quality assurance. Mastering these skills opens global opportunities. Check out our Document Controller Basics video linked below. Subscribe to ControlDesk and take control of your career.